Have you ever watched a baseball game where a routine play suddenly turns into a thrilling dash around the bases, leaving everyone wondering what just happened? Perhaps a simple ground ball or a catchable fly ball results in chaos, with runners scrambling and the score changing. Yes, a misplay by a fielder absolutely can allow a runner to advance to an extra base. This is a fundamental aspect of baseball rules and scoring. When a fielder fails to make a play that an average fielder could have made with ordinary effort, and this failure directly allows a runner to get to a base they would not have otherwise reached, it is typically recorded as an error. The core mechanism here lies in the judgment of the official scorer. Their job is to determine if a fielder's actions, or lack thereof, directly contributed to a runner gaining an advantage. For example, if a player fumbles a ball that would have led to an out at first base, and a runner from second base then advances to third base because the throw to first was delayed or impossible, that runner's advance is directly attributed to the error. This is different from a fielder's choice, where a fielder intentionally throws to another base to get a different out, or a wild pitch or passed ball, which are specific pitching or catching misjudgments. The critical factor is whether the fielder applied ordinary effort and still failed, directly benefiting the runner. So, how does this affect what you see on the field and in the box score? It means that when you see a runner take an extra base on what appears to be a botched play, you are likely witnessing the consequence of a defensive error. For the fielder, this adds to their error count, which is a statistic tracked throughout the season. For the team, it can mean giving up runs that might have been prevented, directly impacting the game's outcome. Understanding this helps you appreciate the pressure on fielders and the importance of every single defensive action. An interesting insider detail is that the official scorer must weigh whether the runner would have advanced anyway. For instance, if a runner on second base is going to score easily on a single, even if the outfielder bobbles the bobble might not be an error related to that specific runner's advance because the runner would have scored regardless. The error must be the direct and sole cause of the extra base or score. This judgment ensures that errors are charged only when a legitimate defensive lapse truly alters the play. Ultimately, recognizing when a runner advances due to a misplay helps you understand the nuances of baseball statistics and game strategy. It highlights how defensive performance is just as crucial as offensive prowess. Each error can shift momentum, extend innings, and create scoring opportunities, making every defensive out a valuable commodity and every misplay a potential turning point in the game.